Okay, shall we start? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, visitors. Today is October 21, our 16th regular session. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem, then invocation to be read by Honorable Gayon, and recitation of Councilor's Creed, and to be followed by the Vice Mayor's recitation of the Creed.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Lord God, salamat sa iyong kabayo sa matagal na kanamo. Upati kami, Lord God, sa matagal na pagkatuaton, ipaiway kami sa tanang matan, sa taon-taotan, uban sa among mga mahal sa pinamuli, at sa among mga parang. Sa pangan, Lord, hindi pa hikayon na mga 16th regular session, panalingin kami, damdagin, tuwag among nakunaw kasi na maka-himo pa kami tuwag, ordinansa, proposal para sa tayuhan, sa among nasakupan sa lungsod sa Lini. Pinagtanan, Lord God, ang mga pasalamatan, pinaagi sa puntong anak na si Ginoo sa Kristo. Salamat. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that redound to the general welfare of my constituent in their pursuit for happiness, peace and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official act, and as tried the pathways of local legislation. May the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituent
May the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to
and
my
the
constituents
Filipino people.
and the Filipino people.
I am a Vice Mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature that with integrity and statesmanship, I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good and fulfill my people's aspiration for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Okay, please sit down. Roll call, Mr. Secretary, for the determination on quorum.
Honorable Gailo, Honorable Bintayaw, Honorable Diluso, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Sereno, Honorable Artiza, Honorable Baler, Honorable Saligumba, Honorable Evangelio, Honorable Gayon, and Presiding Officer, Honorable Malaki.
Only our SK Federation President was absent. She's on sick leave, so no information for his whereabouts. Okay. Only one member of this chamber is absent. The chair declared there's an existence of the quorum. Privilege speech or privilege hour. Honorable Aurelio is recognized.
May buntag sa tanan. Mr. Presider Officer, mga igsoon sa konseyo, mga pinalanggang mong kaigsuunan sa atong lungsod, mayong adlaw ka na itong tanan.
Good morning.
Ako mutindog karon dili lang sa isip ko sa kakonsehal. Apan isip ko sa kaalagad sa katawhan nga adunay tinguha nga mas makita, mas madungog ug mas masabtan sa tanan ang tinuod nga trabaho. Matag tuig atong gihisgutan dinhi ang annual budget. Usa ka dokumento nga naghatag kinabuhi sa atong mga proyekto, serbisyo ug mga damgo para sa katawhan. Apan unsaon nato pag-ingon nga kini alang sa katawhan kung ang katawhan mismo dili makakita sa proseso. Daghan sa atong mga kigsuunan barangay, mga ginikanan ug mga kawatan-unan, wala kabalong unsaong pagbahid sa budget. Kinsa ang nagpanuki-duki ug unsay mga pangutana ang isangkad sa atong matag departamento. Ako ba magsalig lang sa mga pulong, sa mga istorya nga usahay lahi ra sa tinuod. Busa, Mr. Presiding Officer. Ako maghangyo nga ipalayd nato ang atong annual budget hearing. Ipaabot nato kini sa katawhan pinaagi sa social media, local radio o bisan sa public viewing area. Dili kini aron magpasikat. Dili kini aron magpapugi. Pagkinambog para aron ingnon mayong laki. Kini aron ipakita sa katawhan nga ang gobyerno nga ilang gisangon walay gitaguan. Kung makita sa katawhan ang tinuod nga proseso, ang pangutana, ang pagsabot ug ang pagpangatarungan dito nila masabtan nga dili sayon ang serbisyo publiko. Nga dili lang kini pulos pasalig, kundi sakit, paningkamot o katungdanan na puno sa responsibilidad. Kung makita nila nga adunay mga konsihal nga mangutana alang sa kayuhan sa katawan, mangayo og klaro nga tubag o manindog kung kinahanglan, mas moabot ang pagsalig. Kay kung tinaw ang proseso, malig-on ang pagsalig. Kung bukas ang pultahan, mas duol ang katawan. Ang pag-broadcast sa atong hearing usa ka simbolo nga dili kita naglug sa kangit-ngit. Kita nagtrabaho sa kahayag. Kahayag nga nagpasabot sa tinuod nga serbisyo publiko. Ang transparency dili lang teknikal nga pulong. Kini pamatasan sa usa ka leader. Kini pamatasan sa usa ka tinuod nga leader. Ug ang accountability dili lang balaod. Kini batasan sa usa ka matinud-anon nga alagad. Mga igsuon, panahon na nga makita sa katawan nga ang ilang gobyerno dili lang numero sa papel, dili lang resolusyon o apropriasyon, kundi mga desisyon na ginhimo uban ang kasing-kasing o kaisog. Kung kita magpuyo sa prinsipyo nga public office is a public trust, dili lang kita magtrabaho alang sa katawhan, magtrabaho ta uban sa katawhan. Busa ako nag-aampo o nag-aawag sa atong mga kaubanan sa konseho, atong buhaton kini nga lakang. Atong ipalay ang budget hearing aron makita sa tanan ng atong katayuang klaro, serbisyo dili politika, tinuod nga trabaho dili drama. Kay sa adlaw nga makita sa katawan ang tinuod nga proseso, mauusap kadto ang adlaw nga mas musalig sila sa atong liderato. Sa katapusan, Mr. Speaker, ako mong pabilin og usa ka gamay nga liriko sa kanta ni Romel Tueco. Dili tanan kurap politiko. Dili tanan politiko kurap. Naay kurap tungod sa mga tao, kay kung way kwarta, dili iboto. Daghang salamat ug padayon ka mag-alagad sa nakawan nga hayag matinud-anon og tinuod. Mayong buntag sa tanan.
Thank you, Honorable Aurelio, for the manifestation. So, dili tanan. Any discussion of the privilege speech? Let's resolve this. Sa atong rules, appeal ba sa committee ang open to the public? So, sa atong house rules, appeal ang not only a session, committee meeting or committee hearing must be open to the public. So, thank you for that privilege speech. The matter brought up by Honorable Aurelio referred to the Committee on Rules. Any privilege speech? Honorable Saligumpa.
Good morning sa tanan, especially sa kanatong presiding officer. This is only kuan lang kung pwede. Why sini ka privilege na di mga hangyo sa kanak sini sa labi na sa mga barangay captains. So again, good morning.
Good morning.
I am here today before the council to seek support. I am requesting the SB member of our beloved Vice Mayor to allocate 18,000 each member of this council. And the Vice Mayor to contribute 72,000, the total of 270,000. This is for our project community activities. I stand before you to respectfully request to the allocation of funds from our donation to support the annual Barangay Fiesta celebration in all 18 barangays of the municipality of Lingi. These fiesta are not only a time of a joyful celebration, but also a vital tradition that strengthens community bonds and cultural heritage among our constituents. Supporting these events promotes social cohesion, preserves our rich local cultural, and boosts the morale of our people. It is also encourage barangay development through activities that bring neighbors together in unity and cooperation. I appeal to this 12 Sangguniang Bayan to consider this proposal probably, ensuring that each barangay receives adequate support to successfully hold their Fiesta celebration. Let us empower our communities by celebrating our shared identity and values. Thank you for your continued commitment to the welfare and progress of the municipality of Lingi. Let us work together to help and empower and improve to our breakdown follows. So, makita nato nga niyang breakdown ini nga tanan sa 18 barangays. So hangin ko lang kung pwede sa this is a proposal Mr. Chair na by starting January sa makita talang kay actually inis Mr. Chair usahay during mag-meeting kami sa pista lang ng celebration ng barangay kung mapwede lang sa mga SB na matabangan tayo na sila na hindi nila kanila hangin lugar during sa pista nila except kung sa pista ng sityo or puro BTV o personal na nato yan. So, another also Mr. Chair, this is also important also, my privilege speech also.
It's another privilege speech.
Another privilege speech, Mr. Chair.
Okay, before you proceed, this privilege speech is concerned about the budget.
For our donation.
The matter will not refer to the Committee on Appropriation. Sige, next
Another
2 minutes.
Ayan na. Again, good day. Honorable Vice Mayor and respected colleagues of the Sangguniang Bayan, I rise today to humbly request the allocation of funds amounting to 200,000 pesos from our donation funds for the urgent fuel needs to our constituent in the municipality of Ligi. This allocation will support emergency situations, particularly for patients who require immediate referral to the hospital outside the municipality. Transportation costs often pose a significant barrier during critical health emergencies. By securing this fund, we can ensure no life is compromised due to a lack of fuel for ambulance or private vehicles transporting patients. This vision aligns with our community to prioritize public health and safety. I urge the Sangguniang Bayan and the Vice Mayor to consider this proposal with urgency and compassion, enforcing our collective dedication to save lives and provide timely assistance to our constituent during emergency. Thank you and your attention and support. Yan, kita gihapon nato nga ni yan kanato kuan ng kuan sa total ng kanato kung pwede lang kay actually mahimo sa nato ngini kay kami gani sa barangay at kami magahimo sa sini na magpuno kami sa kuan niya sa ikanato kakuanan nga ni na gasoline station. Kung pwede lang, mahangyo ko Mr. Chair, kay kasagaran, decide sige kita, kakuha mo na kanato ambulance, labi na sa fuel na maalukitan tayo ini, kung pwede, tanan hini kanato na sa mga council. Wala nga Mr. Chair, kung pasi ako yung mga na para kumbag ko isa. That's all Mr. Chair.
Okay. So another request through privilege speech by Honorable Salibumba. The matter brought up is referred to Committee on Appropriation. Any privilege speech? Wala na? Wala na yung privilege? Question hour? None? Reading and referral of the proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer, first item for referral and decision is the proposed General Fund Annual Budget Fiscal Year 2026 of the Municipality of Lini, carrying an amount of 288,186,566 pesos.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriation, Ways and Means.
Next item is the Annual Investment Programs CY 2026 Barangay Poblacion.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next item is the ST Fund Annual Budget Fiscal Year 2026 Barangay Valencia in amount of 394,875 pesos and 80 centavos.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next, the request from the Municipal Mayor for an authority to enter into a deed of donation with the Office of the President, the amount of 5 million pesos under its Social Civic Project Fund to formalize the acceptance and donation as financial assistance to LGU Lini for recovery and rehabilitation as a result of 7.4 magnitude earthquake.
Refer to Committee on Legal Matters and Appropriation, Joint Committee.
Next item is the request from the Municipal Mayor for the passage of a resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor Honorable Elmer P. Bangilio to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Education, Division of Surigao del Sur for the establishment and or conversion of San Roque Elementary School into San Roque Integrated School located at San Roque, Linix, Surigao del Sur.
Refer to Committee on Education.
Next is the request for a special cockfighting event on October 25, 2025 at Barangay Mandus, Lingin.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Next is Resolution Number 40, Series of 2025 of Barangay Mahayay, requesting the Municipal Vice Mayor for the allocation of funds for land development at Purok 3, Kauswagan as sitio site.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
Next, the request for a special cockfighting event on November 3 at Barangay San Roque.
Refer to Committee on Games and Amusement.
Next is Resolution number 2025-549 of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of District City, requesting the municipal mayor through the Sangguniang Bayan to allow the entry travel of any public utility vehicles from the city of District to ferry passengers in a Pacquiao agreement and or in time of emergency cases.
Refer to Committee on Transportation.
Next is proposed resolution requesting the provincial governor Janity Pimentel to provide 10 rolls of water hose, 10 pieces of toilet bowls, 12 units of solar lights, 4 units of water pumps, and 50 pesos of light bulbs for the people of the 18 barangays of the municipality of Lingi. The proponent of this is Honorable Rumi Imbintayao.
Refer to Committee on Infra and Legal Matters.
Next is proposed ordinance number 2025-44 entitled An Ordinance Legalizing the Implementation of Republic Act number 11036, otherwise known as the Mental Health Act, in the municipality of Lingig, Surigao del Sur, establishing the municipal mental health program, providing funds therefore and for other purposes. The proponent of this is Honorable Mira Helen Christine Palar.
Refer to Committee on Health.
Next is MDRMC Resolution number 12 dated October 20, 2025 recommending to the Sangguniang Bayan to place the entire municipality of Lingig under a state of calamity due to the effects of the 7.6 magnitude earthquake last October 10, 2025.
Refer to Committee on Legal Matters.
That's all, Mr. Presiding. Mr. Presiding Officer, additional letter received just this morning from the Philippine Councilors League. This is with respect to the second continuing local legislative education program on December 1 and 3 that would also coincide to the year-end assembly of the PCL, strengthening the local legislation through inclusive and participatory governance, which will be held in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Okay, refer to Committee on Legal Matters.
And also from the DILG on the subject, the Philippine Councilors League Caraga Regional Council elections on November 19 to 20 at the Lenkinkay Lux Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City.
Refer to Committee on Legal Matters.
That's all, Mr. President.
Let's proceed. Committee reports. Honorable Aurelio is recognized.
Committee report on Committee on Appropriation regarding on the referred item during the 15th regular session dated October 14, 2025 in regards to annual budget current year 2026 of Barangay Salvacion amounting to 2,744,538 pesos. The committee reviewed the proposed annual budget for current year 2026 of Barangay Salvacion amounting to 2,744,538 pesos. The evaluation confirmed that the budget proposal is in strict compliance with the legal requirements and guidelines set forth by the applicable laws and regulation. The proposed budget covers essential programs and projects aimed at community development, health, education, and infrastructure, which are the vital for the progress of the Barangay Salvacion. The committee finds that the budget is reasonable and properly aligned with the priorities of the barangay and national policies. Based on these findings, the committee unanimously recommends that the annual budget for current year 2026 of Barangay Salvacion be approved during the today's session during the business of the day to facilitate the efficient implementation of barangay programs and services. The approval will ensure that the Barangay Salvacion continues to deliver quality services and promote sustainable growth for its constituents. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Aurelio. Any discussion of the committee reports? Okay, thank you very much. Honorable Rio for the committee report of the annual budget calendar year 2026 of Barangay Salvacion amounting to 2,744,538 pesos. This is first barangay who submit. So ito yung maka-receive. Okay. Another committee reports. Honorable Paler from Barangay Valencia is recognized.
Okay. Before I will render my report, I would like to greet each one of us a happy and healthy morning to all.
Good morning.
Okay, it was caught my attention when I attended the LCPC held in Caguaet. I was asked and tasked to pass an ordinance regarding sa katong mga about sa sexual exploitation about sa atong children. So, daghan ko siya nga mga item nga gusto ipabuhat sa speaker and sa atong MS. So, nahinayan lang nako. And yesterday, with my member, Honorable Paul Sereno, we had a committee meeting because it was referred to me. I was asked our secretary to calendar this, and it was referred to me on the 15th regular session dated October 14, 2025. The proposed ordinance number 2025-43 entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Online Sexual and Exploitation of Children and Child Sexual Abuse or Exploitation Materials in the Municipality of Lingig, regardless or institutionalizing programs for its prevention and eradication, and providing penalties thereof, thereafter establishing a supportive environment for child victims and providing funds thereof. We come up to the deliberations, the findings and recommendations. The committee conducted a thorough discussion on the proposed ordinance entitled Prohibiting Online Sexual Abuse or Exploitation of Children and Child Sexual Abuse or Exploitation Materials. During the deliberation, members emphasized the growing concern over online platforms being used and exploit and abuse children. The committee acknowledged the importance of having a comprehensive law to address and prevent such criminal activities effectively. After careful evaluation, the committee found that the proposed ordinance is timely and vital for the protection of children, aligning with our community's effort to ensure their safety and well-being. The committee also discussed the possible implementation, strategies, and enforcement measures to make the ordinance effective. Based on these findings, the Committee on Social Services, together with the extended members, unanimously agrees that the proposed ordinance should be approved for today's session during the business of the day to provide immediate legal measures against online child abuse and exploitation. The approval of this ordinance will demonstrate our commitment to safeguarding children's rights and promoting a safe digital environment. Therefore, it is highly recommended that the proposed ordinance be approved without delay. Thank you.
Thank you for that committee reports. Discussion? Discussion of the committee reports? This is an ordinance. Ordinance number 44. I would like to ask the proponent, may final draft ka na ba nito?
Yes, it was attached yesterday with the notice of the committee meeting.
Okay.
And I believe everyone nakabasa ato kahapon.
Okay, thank you. How about Honorable Canoy? In your committee reports, you have no signature?
No, she was
You are right. Okay. No, any question of the committee reports? Discussion? Thank you very much, Honorable Paler.
without delay.
Another committee reports. Honorable Saligupa is recognized.
Urgent request from the municipal mayor to enter into MOA with GMB Computer concerning the municipality's subscription to the Katarungan Pambarangay Case Management System, KPCMPS. Deliberation, findings, and recommendation. The municipal mayor submitted a request to enter in a memorandum of agreement with the GMB Computer for subscription to the Katarungan Pambarangay Case Management System. The system aims to streamline barangay level dispute resolution and automating case tracking, scheduling, and reporting processes, enhancing efficiency and transparency. The committee's findings indicate that the KPCMPS has a proven track record and improving case management workflows in the similar municipalities, reducing manual paperwork and enabling faster resolution times. The subscription cost is reasonable and aligns with the municipality budget allocation. Adequate training and technical support will be provided by the GMB Computer to ensure smooth implementation. Recommendation: approve the mayor's request to into the MOA with the GMB computers during today's session. Business of the day. The initiative will be modernize barangay justice operation, promote accountability, and ultimately benefit the constituent by expanding dispute resolution. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Saligumba. Discussion? Thank you for that, Honorable Saligumba. Any committee reports? Honorable Kanoy from Porokdos is recognized.
Mabuhay, good morning everyone. So, I will be having my committee report on the request from the Secretary to the Sanggunian, duly approved by the Municipal Vice Mayor for the creation of an additional plantilla position of Local Legislative Staff Officer 4, salary grade 19, level 2 in the Office of the Secretary to the Sanggunian. So yesterday afternoon, we conducted a committee meeting. It was duly attended by my members, Honorable Romy Pentayao and Honorable Saligumba. During the committee meeting, we discussed the proposal on the said creation of the additional plantilla. And currently, the office is experiencing a staff shortage, which hampers efficient service delivery and administrative functions. The committee recognizes the vital role of the Secretary to the Sanggunian in supporting legislative operations and ensuring smooth governance. The analysis shows that the current staffing is inadequate to meet the workload and to implement proposed projects or activities effectively. And the committee finds that the creation of the Local Legislative Staff Officer 4 position is necessary to strengthen the office's capacity and improve operational efficiency. Based on these findings, the committee unanimously recommends that the proposed position be approved. This measure will address staffing gaps, enhance the office's administrative functions, and support the legislative processes of the Sanggunian. So it was also attended by the head of the office, the secretary, Mr. Jetro, and the budget officer, Ma'am Mary Jane Tamtipi. So during the business of the day, Mr. Chair, I, as the chairman committee, I will move for the approval of the said item, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Kanoy. Discussion of the committee reports. Honorable Hilos is recognized.
I would like to ask the reporter,
Yes, Mr. Yes.
okay na si budget na malukitan ng funds ang himuon na posisyon?
During the discussion yesterday, Honorable Momar, di ba ang step na to is create first the position. So, among iyan na, i-create na to ang position, and if there will be an available fund, then we can, the budget officer told us na pwede dadayon ma-budgetan.
Dapat niya babudgetan.
Oo.
Kay, ang balik natin sa position na i-create, 2 years or 2 years na. Wala ka mabudget eh, i-create yan without any funds for 3 years. So, dapat, i-create ka doon sini. we will make sure na ma-funding ang ganyan.
Okay. So, ada manifestation ng Honorable Nelson na dapat bago yung budget.
Yes.
Okay. So, may istorya din mo appropriation.
Hey, paano ba ito ang budget? Gasablit na sila.
Oo.
Baka, basi pwede na sa 2026.
Hindi mo kaya.
Okay, so, actually, na proposal sa among bag istorya yun, kinahanglan yun siya o medyo ganang dapat na yung movement atong tao. Then one of my goal is to hire a juris doctor or the legal practitioner. Baka dili abogado, graduate na siya para natay, makagayad sa ato sa inyo, sa mga legal na mga trabaho. Mga ginaang isa sa ako kung na makahayabala o ko, terminus lang, paglahin na po ng kuhan, mahalaga po siya. O na kinahanglan ka mo move o tao para makakuha tao ang posisyon. Kaya nakita na ako muna yung kulang sa ano. Nagkantay kulang, pero kana sa ano na. Okay? The important is the budget. I will directing the appropriation na pagtagad manifestation ni Mumar Deloso na magputang ang budget. Dili magkaroon na ito next year. Or ini na supplemental budget po. Okay, any question of the prepared speech? Okay, thank you, Honorable Canoy, for that comprehensive report. Another committee report. Honorable Deloso is recognized.
This is not a committee report, Mr. Chair, but in line hapon, with regards sa
Please kindly utilize the podium.
thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is with regards to the referred item during the August 5 regular session and the September 16 regular session. I think that this three ordinance from Barangay Sabang is deemed approved because it is already lapsed the 30 days. So, gikan sa pag-receive na ng sanggunian ng I think September or August 8 ba ito. So, sobrang na 30 days, Mr. Chair. So, it is deemed approved already. So, I will ask na lang ng Secretary na pag mga yung sa mga certification for these three ordinance, natagan na lamang kay lagpas na sa 30 days, Mr. Chair, including the resolution of Barangay Bukak requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for the endorsement to the DBM for the construction of health center in Pinalapatan, Barangay Bukak. Di mag-prove hapon, Mr. Chair, kay August pa. Doon, mag-confirm kita. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the manifestation of Honorable Deloso, this is in connection to the referral last regular session, 11th regular session dated September 16. Okay, ang number one is the an ordinance of Barangay Sabang. An ordinance imposing the collection of fees and charges for the issuance of certification, clearance, filing, and similar services rendered by Barangay Sabang, Lingig, Surigao del Sur. Sa rules or sa atong local government code, ang ordinance pag nasubmit for review sa sanggunian after 30 days without action deemed as considered as approved by the SB, Sangguniang Bayan. Ordinance man siya, dua ka buok, katulo. Matagaan gining certification na. Sa practice, Mr. Secretary.
Mr. Presiding Officer, with your permission, I guess it's not 30 days. Based on the local government code,
30 working days.
60 days is the review days for the Sangguniang Bayan.
Okay.
It's not 30 days, it's 60 days. So I have to refer that to the local government code.
Pwede pa tanong sa kwansa ito.
It's not 30 days, It's 60 days.
Sige, verify daw sir sa...
Sa kanyang panalawigan, it's 90 days for the review of appropriation ordinance.
Pwede maka-pag-referral sir. Dili dahil 30 days. Sinasayot ka.
Okay, sa practice na ito. 30 days.
Ordinance lang. Ordinance. Resolution, pwede siya na. Sige, 3 minutes recess.
Tayo kasi sa sakita. Ano ito nang isutan ang pwede Aurelio?
Okay, sige. 15 minute recess to discuss while our secretary nag-verify sa atong query. Discuss the privilege speech rendered by Honorable Aurelio and the privilege speech of Kapitan. Because why? Why necessary siya kay it's about the budget preparation, budget review, ang imo budget request. So, the next week, magkuha na ang Committee on Appropriation sa annual, mag-review na. So, ato na isipin karon. Okay, 15 minutes recess. Let's proceed to the calendar of business. Unfinished business. So yun mga pag-discuss tayo. Ngayon na. Business of the day. Yung mga naka-reports lang, yung committee reports kanina. Business of the day. Honorable Canoy is recognized.
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the creation of an additional plantilla position of Local Legislative Staff Officer 4, salary grade 19, level 2, in the office of the Secretary to the Sanggunian.
So there was a motion for the creation of the plantilla of the Office of the Municipal Mayor for the creation of the additional plantilla position of Local Legislative Staff Officer 4, salary grade 19, level 2, in the office of the Secretary to the Sanggunian. Duly seconded by Honorable Paul, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Bintayaw. Any discussion?
None.
Objection?
None.
Hearing none, the motion, this is an ordinance.
Yes.
Ordinance number 2025-44 is hereby adopted. Yes, Honorable
Mr.
Paler.
Chair, I move for the approval of the Post Ordinance number 2025-43 entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Online Sexual Exploitation of Children and Child Sexual Abuse or Exploitation Materials in the Municipality of Dingig, Surigao del Sur, institutionalizing programs for its prevention and eradication and providing financial support, thereafter establishing a supportive environment for child victims and victims.
And motion for the approval of the ordinance number 2025-45 entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Online Sexual and Exploitation of Children and Child Sexual Abuse or Exploitation Materials in the Municipality of Dingig, Surigao del Sur. Seconded by Honorable Gailo, Honorable unanimously seconded. Ordinance number 2025-45 is hereby adopted. Honorable Aurelio is recognized.
The adoption of the annual budget regarding 2026 of Barangay Salvation amounting to 2,744,728.
Yes, there was a motion for the adoption of annual budget calendar year 2026 of Barangay Salvacion amounting to 2,744,538. Unanimously as per request by Honorable Artisa. Okay, the annual adoption of annual budget of Barangay Salvacion is hereby adopted. Then I am the committee or the secretariat to send letter congratulating the Salvacion for the first barangay who submit and approve annual budget for 2026 and inform the office of the mayor para sa award. Okay, next, Honorable Aurelio.
Motion, Mr. Chair, for the adoption of the SK annual budget carrying year 2025 of Barangay Ambuman.
Iski, saan yung banda?
Ano?
Okay, Iski annual budget of 2025, Barangay Adibungan.
Yes.
Okay, ini Iskander.
Unanimously si Captain.
Honorable. Unanimous. Okay, taas kamot na lang sa unanimous. Kasi si unanimous ani, dili. Okay, unanimous si Iskander. The annual budget of Iski 2025 of Adibungan is hereby adopted. Napa, Honorable Aurelio. Please finish.
Request for special cup fighting event on October 25, 2025 in Barangay Mandos, Speaker Luzon for as of clinical feeding purposes.
Asa man na refer? Ako na. Sige, ato lang ikwan. Una ko sa nato, pending motion. Pending motion muna, Honorable Aurelio. Honorable Saligomba.
Another request, Mr. Chair, urgent request from the municipal mayor into the Muawi, the GB, concerning the municipalities subscription to the Katarong Barangay East Management System. I move, Mr. Chair.
So there was a motion from Honorable Saligomba authorizing the mayor to enter into MUA with GMB Computer concerning the municipality subscription to the Katarungan Barangay Case Management System. Seconded by Honorable Deluso, Artisa, Honorable Sereno, Honorable Gailo. Any discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the proposed authority is hereby approved. Adopted. Yes, Honorable Gailo.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to adopt the resolution requesting to the provincial governor, Janet Nicolenchil, to provide 10 rolls of water hose, 12 units of solar lights, 4 units of water pump, and 50 pieces light bulb for the people of 18 barangays of the municipality of Dili.
Okay, still, again, that's a pending motion. We will finish first the committee reports. Pending motion, dalawa kayo. Honorable Canoy.
Sir Chair, I think there's wala
Wala na
I move, Mr. Chair, for the suspension of the third reading.
Okay, there was a motion for the suspension of the House rules, duly seconded by Honorable Paler, Deluso, and Gayon to cater the new proposal or new measures. House rules is suspended. Yes, there's a pending motion of Honorable Aurelio with regard to the
Request for special campaign event on October 25, 2025
Barangay Mandos, October 2025, special cockfighting. Seconded, any seconded? Seconded by EBC, SB Artisa, SB Federation, SB Romy Bintayaw, SB Canoy. Any objection? Discussion? Hearing none, the request is hereby adopted.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for
Additional motion? Okay, proceed.
for the request for a special campaign event on November 3 at Barangay San Roque, Phoenix, Speaker Luzon.
Okay, special cockfighting in November 3 at Barangay San Roque. Any seconded? Okay.
Another motion,
The motion, duly seconded by Honorable Canoy, Honorable Bintayaw, the special cockfighting in November 3, provided for, ano tawag yan? Na, kanang, provided with approval of the mayor, is hereby adopted. Sige, another motion?
another motion for request for special campaign on November 23 as Purotosi vis-a-vis Pagkasoy, Speaker Luzon.
November 23. Dukaya pa ito. Okay, there was a motion on the November 23. Ini si Kander.
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Kanoy. Ah,
Mr. Chair, grabe pa ka, kuan.
okay, there was a manifestation
I think
to
i-refer ba? I-refer ba yan? I-refer ba?
there was-
I think only two.
only two.
Mr. Chair.
So ang kuan na record
Wala.
only two. So
Ano sa
okay. Sige, na-refer sir. Wala ma-reading. But there was an objection of Honorable Watts. Can you cite your purpose of objection?
Mr. Chair, I think only two referred items ng para sa mag-fight na request, bundles and ha? Oh, wala ma-refer. At refer pa ng kuan. And also, Mr. Chair, grabe pa ka-early, may bali taas-taas pa yung
So layo-layo pa kuno. Unsa man jud? Tubig pumatron. Ha? Ah? Okay. There was an objection. That's a proper objection. Let's just speak. Pero wala pa yung nagsikandel.
Mr. Chair, regarding sa catfight na ito niya is politikuan pa ni Sir Rupan. So, kahit sinita yung kwento niya, kung sabi ko, kung para na ako kay isutan pa na ito sa committee, kay nakuha ka kami allow na wakahin mo i-deserve it ng resolution.
Yes. Okay.
Kay gakuan si
Okay.
Sir Rupan.
That's your manifestation with the request of Turban. Ato sa nag-resolve ang kay Kuan Aurelio. So there was a motion, one day kapwede November 23. There was an objection, but no, seconded. It is seconded of the motion of Honorable Aurelio. Seconded by Paul Sereno. There was an objection by Honorable Canoy. So the point is, layo pa. But you're not against.
I'm not against.
Ayaw mo lang is layo pa tagal time.
When was this referred?
Okay. Since there's an objection, what's the discretion of the body?
Mr. Chair, may I ask the Secretary when was this referred?
I think that was last issue.
Last issue.
Just reading.
So referred last issue. Last 15th regular
Same
session.
as that motion today.
But anyway, there was already a motion, seconded by Paul Sereno, duly object by the Honorable Lady of Boroctris. So, let's decide.
Approve na lamang.
Okay.
Basta pending sa
Okay, taas ka mo, sa mga pro.
Sir Chair,
Let's resolve this para mahumanata. Taas ka. Yes.
I would like to clarify kung yung ako sa pending matter na to.
Mr. Chair.
Kung i-refer to the previous decision, we can make it a motion today.
Okay. Yes, the secretary already clarified na
So, record.
wala sa record. Naka-handwritten na lagi. Kaya marang, gusto naman niya itong sabong, marang handwritten na yun eh. Sabot na yun eh. Record na ka. Okay, wala sa previous record. Wala kayo makita. But the secretary testify man na hatag mga bang referral. So, what's the decision of Honorable Kanoy? Yes, Honorable Kanoy.
Mr. Chair, to resolve this, I'd like to revoke my objection.
Okay, Honorable Kanoy withdraw her objection with regard to the proposed request of Honorable Aurelio on the November 23
What barangay is that?
Barangay Promotion Special Catfight. Any other objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby adopted. Yes, Honorable Spending Motion, Honorable Aurelio Gailo, a request, proposed resolution requesting the provincial governor, Janet Pimentel, to provide 10 rolls of water hose, 10 pieces of toilet bowls,
12 units of
12 units of solar lights, 4 units of water pumps, and 50 pieces of light bulb for the people of the barangay, 18 barangays of the municipality of Lingig. This is sponsored by, authored by Honorable Bintayaw. Okay. Ini seconded. Seconded by EBC President Kanoy Gayo Artisa Palero. Any discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the proposed resolution is hereby adopted.
That is what we do.
Adjoint. So, sponsored by Committee on Infrastructures and Committee on Legal Matters. Authored by Honorable Bintay. Okay. Next,
Motion request from the municipal mayor.
Honorable Bentayo is recognized.
Motion request from the municipal mayor, the passage of a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Elmer P. Pangilio, to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Education, Division of Surigao del Sur, the establishment and/or conversion of San Roque Elementary School into San Roque Integrated School, located at Barangay San Roque, Lingig, Surigao del Sur.
Okay, there was a motion by our Chairman Committee on Education, Honorable Bintaya, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Department of Education, Division of Surigao del Sur for the establishment and/or conversion of San Roque Elementary School into a San Roque Integrated School located at Barangay San Roque, Lingig, Surigao del Sur. Any seconded? Unanimously seconded. The resolution is hereby adopted. Yes. Another, Honorable Deluso.
Chair, I move for the approval of the request from the municipal mayor for the authority to enter into a denomination with the office of the president amounting to 5 million pesos under a socio-civic project fund, formalized acceptance of donations and as financial assistance to LGU Lingig for recovery and rehabilitation as a result of the 7.4 magnitude earthquake. So,
Okay, there was a motion, a resolution authorizing the mayor to enter into a deed of donation with the office of the president, the amount of 5 million pesos under a socio-civic project fund to formalize the acceptance of donation as financial assistance to LGU Lingig for recovery and rehabilitation as a result of the 7.8 magnitude earthquake. Any seconder? Unanimously seconded again. The motion is hereby adopted.
Madam, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable Deluso.
I move, Mr. Chair, for the approval of the NDRMC Resolution Number 12, dated October 20, 2025, recommending to the Sangguniang Bayan to place the entire municipality of Lingig under a state of calamity due to the effect of 7.6 magnitude earthquake last October 10, 2025.
Okay, there was a motion, a resolution placing the entire municipality of Lingig under a state of calamity due to the effects of the 7.6 magnitude earthquake last October 10, 2025. Any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Palero, Honorable Gaido, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Paul Serenio. Any discussion? Objection? Hearing none, our municipality is now under a state of calamity. Yes, pwede siguro. I would like to request sino maka-sponsor na magpasa po ng resolution. Mato naman si Mayor sa Presidente, makita lang tag financial assistance for AX. Ang sabay mahakad. Include na lang ba, additional resolution. Di ba? AX, MAIC, tupad. Apil na to. Oh. So, i-proper motion na lang, Honorable Deluso. Ito sini, social assistance. Oh, sige, apilan na lang. AX, labi ng AX. Importante hayang AX. Oh. Kaya naman, ba't naman si Mayor? Kung interin kumuha naman siya. At na lang padala ang resolusyon. Pamasin dahil
Pamasin
ka.
ba? Pamasin.
Akap, tupan.
AX yun, in crisis situation mo. Kaya calamity man ta.
Ay, sir, ay.
Oh, AX yun. Okay? Any other topic?
No more.
I would like to request the Committee on Rules about the administrative rules.
Kaya may kapit sa papel.
Mr. Chair, I move for the
Abolish.
to abolish the
Ordinance.
ordinance on the administrative cases, Mr. Chair.
Yes, there was a motion to abolish the ordinance. That's our ordinance ka po, sir. An ordinance abolishing ordinance number sa administrative case. So, any seconder? Seconded by Honorable Paul Sereno, Honorable Saligumba. Any discussion? Hearing none, the motion of Honorable Canoy abolishing ang ordinance abolishing the administrative rules and procedure is hereby adopted.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Honorable Canoy.
I move for a passage of a resolution creating
Adopting.
adopting the administrative cases, Mr. Chair.
Yes, there was a motion, a resolution adopting the rules, administrative rules and procedure of the 12 Sangguniang Bayan of Ligi. Ini sikander. Seconded by Paul Sereno, IPMR Gayon. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is adopted. Yes, Honorable Canoy.
Mr. Chair, I move for the restoration of the
Yes, ini sikander. Okay, seconded by Honorable Saligumba. House rules is resumed. Another, unassigned business. Yes, announcement.
Ano sign?
Unassigned business.
Muna lang po, Sir Chair. Itong mga ibang subject ko na proposed ordinance. Para sa makita nga ko sa hindi matters ba?
Yes, proposed ordinance submitted by Honorable De Loso.
Ang napag-tingo?
Sige mo.
Ordinance.
Thank you, Sir.
At actually, na-refer man to sa mga committee.
Sa LTO, yan, panasin ko na.
Ang selfie ko.
Marikol pa gawa ay madaig na ordinance.
Gawa lang.
Na kuan mo. So, pero assign na to sa committee. Na-refine mo. Very good observation. Ini unassigned business. Okay, announcement. So, wala na. There was a motion for the adjournment by Honorable Canoy. Ini Sikander. Seconded by Honorable Palero. This 16th regular session is hereby adjourned.